We can measure length in centimetres and metres. So if you see cm written after a number, it's telling you how many centimetres, and if m is written after a number, that's telling you how many metres. So this pencil is 15 centimetres. The key is shorter than the pencil, so only 4 centimetres. The length of this table is 1 metre, and 1 metre is the same as 100 centimetres. A swimming pool is usually 25 metres long, and a full-sized football pitch is usually about 90 metres. Now sometimes you have to estimate a length. So how long these lines actually are depends on the size of the screen you're watching this video on. But imagine that the top line was 15 centimetres. How long, if the top line is 15, how long would the bottom line be? Well, I would estimate that you need about 3 of those bottom lines to make something as long as the top line. So if we divide 15 by 3, we have 5. So I would estimate that this line would be about 5 centimetres. Though if you thought it might be 4 centimetres or 6 centimetres, those are good estimates as well. Now if the top line is 10 centimetres long, how long would the bottom line be? Well, I think we would need 2 lengths of the top line to make something as long as the bottom line, and 10 times 2 is 20, so I would estimate 20 centimetres. But if you thought it might be 18, 19, 20 or 21, those are good estimates as well. Now, if the length of the top line was 40 centimetres, estimate how long would the length of the bottom line be? Well, I think this bottom line is half the length of the top line, so you would need 2 bottom lines to make the length of the top line. So I would estimate that the bottom line might be 20 centimetres, because 20 plus 20 is 40. But any number between, say, 15 and 25, I think would be a good estimate for the length of this line here. Now, if the top line was a metre long, and unless you're watching this on a big interactive whiteboard, maybe in a classroom, that line probably isn't really as long as a metre. But if the top line was a metre long, how long would the bottom line be? Well, it would be half a metre, because I estimate it's about half as long as the top line. But what's half a metre in centimetres? Well, 1 metre is 100 centimetres, so half a metre is 50 centimetres, because 50 plus 50 is 100.